Hello guys, so today we are on Northern Garda Lake. It's freezing out here and there's a lot of wind. These guys are surfing as well, so that's crazy. And today we're gonna go and see Arturo.
Tutti quanti son buoni, lui invece li butta giù.
Sua cugina beve solo benzina e poi parte come un razzo. Ora a Monza sta girando da un pezzo, chissà quando si fermerà.
E trinca, 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 buttalo giù con una spinta e poi vedrai che bella festa, la medicina del mondo in rovina. Stai tranquillo e resta qua.
We just got to our provider and we parked like crap, so he's angry and he's gonna tow us away. No show for today. That's a joke. We're just gonna simulate a towing today.
Beatrice usa la lavatrice, suo marito gliel'ha comprata e quando beve alla spronza frenata, fatto il pieno si ferma lì.
Suo cognato.
So, how do the cars actually get towed? We're seeing it right now. In here, we have these remotes which control the suspensions of the vehicle, of the truck. Basically, by pressing the button, the bed goes up and then he can lower the rear end.
Push it.
It needs to be at an exact angle so that when it goes down, it's completely flat and ready to receive the tires. And this is both an emotional and exciting moment for Michele.
Yeah, very exciting. Vado?
Michele, show us your excitement, please.
I'm very excited.
Schiacciami questo qua.
And what does that do? È quello che fa?
Continuo?
Okay.
Ok.
Me lo molli giù.
Ok.
Okay. So by pressing this button, they release the chain, which has a hook that's slowly releasing the chain. And then he's heading towards the back of the car to find the spot where to be hooked. So now he's looking for the hook of the car to actually get it proper steady and ready to, well, be rolled. Imagine that. So now Thomas is actually gonna get inside of the car as he has to control the gears of it. This is gonna go in neutral and he's gonna be having the power to be steering the wheel if needed. Michele, again, with the pad, he's pressing the opposite button, making the chain go back. Obviously, this is our car, it's not locked and it's quite an easy rescue, this one. But we can see how the tension of the cable makes sure that the car is gonna be stuck. Molla, molla. Okay. So we went a bit overboard, but those...
But that's our style.
Yeah, but that's our style. And now, again, with the pad, he's working with the suspension, making the bed of the truck slide back. So with the tension of this cable, the car stays perfectly fixed onto the bed of the truck. We got also these little edges to ensure that the car doesn't go over and possibly hit the motor of the chain. So all in all, everything is designed to be actually easy to be used as long as you know which buttons to press.
So these first 4 buttons are used to move the bed of the truck. So by pushing this button, we move the bed of the truck up. By pushing this button, we move it back down. This button pushes the bed of the truck forward, like this. And this button pushes the bed of the truck backwards. These 2 buttons are used for the cord that we used before that hooked the car. We cannot use them right now because the cord is already tight, but this button pulls basically the car up and this button releases the cord. These 2 buttons here are to move the instrument where the cord is in. The instrument can move on the left side and on to the right. And by pushing these buttons, you move it to the left and to the right. And these last 4 buttons are security buttons that need to be pushed in a specific order to turn on this remote control.
They're quite proud of another vehicle that they've got, and they're just bringing it right over to us to see.
Bella, bella cazzo però.
Bella sì.
È nuova, porca troia.
L'unica in tutta Italia.
Sì, è personalizzatissima poi.
Bellissima. Tra l'altro anche questa può caricare.
So we're just saying goodbyes with our beautiful providers who made us play with these big boys toys, and they are gonna tow our car, so we're just gonna have to walk home. Shall we? Let's go.
Yeah,
let's go.
let's go.
Yeah. Ciao.
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 Ciao Thomas.
Testa bassa. Oh. Mike, I got you a present.
No way.
I did.
Nice, nice, nice.
Galbusera, beve solo Barbera, fa lo slalom fra i lampioni, a schivarli tutti quanti son buoni.